Tom, before the storm, we are continuing to track Tropical Storm Henri in the Atlantic, and it's expected to make a big impact on us for tomorrow. It's actually very concerning. So I've been saying today, prepare for the storm tomorrow. That is the best thing you could do for today. Today, we're not expecting these conditions, but here's a look at our tropical tracker. So this is according to the National Hurricane Center. This is the latest track. We actually got this earlier this morning, but it does show right now the storm going back to a tropical storm as it hits Long Island and then impacting us in New Haven County, then moving further north, and then you can see it becomes a low pressure system as we get in towards Monday afternoon. So we are expecting a decent long duration of rain for tomorrow and heavy rainfall, as well as potential storm surge and some damaging winds. Just a reminder too, those winds are really going to pick up to the east of the storm, the west of the storm. That's where we expect the heaviest rainfall at the moment. All right, Tropical Storm Henri. Yep, it is actually expected to become a Category 1 hurricane as we head through today. And that's when you could see it continuing and taking kind of that curve to the west towards us as we head towards tomorrow. So the tropical storm warning is in place for our entire state except for New Haven and New London and Middlesex County, which is under a hurricane warning. So that's where we can expect also the strongest force winds. We could be seeing gusts up to 70 miles per hour plus in some spots of our state. That's definitely damaging. And of course, we can expect some widespread power outages. That is possible. So you definitely want to prepare today. Definitely get non-perishable foods, as well as charge your devices, have battery powered devices. And I've also been mentioning too, because of those winds, you want to secure any objects outside or bring them indoors. Yes, we also have this flood watch because we are expecting all of that rain, that tropical rain, and that moisture from the storm. So 3 to 6 inches is possible. Locally, we could be seeing more from Henri. And here's a look too at the high tides. So it just happens to be that tomorrow is a full moon, and that is only going to increase the amount of water that we're expecting to get. So 3 to 5 feet of water could actually go onto our shoreline from this storm. So we'll be keeping you updated. But yes, storm surge, very dangerous storm surge, and Henri tomorrow is going to definitely create a lot of chaos. Now you can prepare today. Once again, it's quiet, it's cloudy. I think we're going to see a little bit of sunshine here and there, but it is going to feel mild and muggy. That heat is going to return for next week. So next week, we have the potential for our 4th heat wave of the season. All right, let's see that timing. So it starts tomorrow morning. Actually, we could see some showers through the overnight hours. We're expecting it to ramp up and peak in the afternoon and the evening. And once again, heavy rainfall, 3 to 6 inches. We could see more than that. Gusts up to 75 miles per hour, and those high tides. Those are our biggest issues or threats at the moment. So we're talking about landfalls. The most recent landfall that we did have was in southern New England. Bob was August 1991, and then Gloria was back in September 1985. Now we are expecting this storm to first hit Long Island if it continues on this track, and then hit Fairfield County or actually New Haven County, but near Fairfield County. So let's check in on the latest. This is according to the graph model, so you could see some of those bands just starting to reach our state early in the morning. Then you could kind of see it spiraling around. Now this storm right now, once again, the greatest impact is expected for the afternoon. So here's a look at 1 o'clock p.m. You could see actually it moving through the eastern portion of our state all the way to the west according to this model, and we'll be keeping you updated too once the National Hurricane Center releases their next guidance. But 78 degrees for tomorrow, and that humidity really is expected to continue. And we're going to see muggy conditions as we head through next week. Monday morning, we could be seeing some lingering showers from the storm. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, temperatures in the 90s, which means 3 consecutive days of 90 degrees or more. That is a heat wave. So we'll be keeping you updated on that, and then tracking the potential for some more storms Thursday and Friday.